Hey friends, I'm back. Yeah, sorry for not uploading any video for almost 2.5 months. My last video was, long form video was March 8th. Yeah, that long, you guys. So sorry, and I will explain later. I will try to upload a life update vlog when I am ready to talk about it already. For now, I just wanna pop up here and say hello to all of you guys, and thank you for still supporting my channel, although I wasn't been uploading video for a long time, and even on my Instagram. But yeah, promise I will do a live update video soon when I am ready to tell the story. For today, allow me to do unboxing, some jewelry unboxing, guys. We have Tiffany and we have Van Cleef. Then, we have Read Your Heart. Yeah, guys, Read Your Heart was so kind to gift me two gorgeous rings, you guys. I'm really happy and grateful. Read Your Heart sent me two beautiful rings, you guys. So this is the first ring they sent me. They use moissanite. And this is the other ring. Isn't it so gorgeous, you guys? This one I really love. Beautiful design, you guys. There. Yeah. I wanna wear them like this, but yeah, you can wear it differently by your choice, your style, or like this. You can check their website, guys. I will leave the link down below on the description box, guys. They have so many gorgeous wedding rings, wedding bands, engagement rings. They also even have necklaces, earrings, and a lot more. If you don't want to bring your expensive diamonds when you travel, you're looking for dupes, you can visit their website, guys, because sometimes, you know, when we travel, we are scared to bring our expensive diamonds and jewelries. So yeah, the answer is Read Your Heart, you guys. You can find dupes and similar to your diamond rings. Look at that shine, you guys. So gorgeous. Yeah. Okay, so just visit their website. The link is down below. Again, Read Your Heart. Thank you so much for these beautiful rings you sent me. They are very luxury vibe, guys. They have this paper bag. It comes with this paper bag, guys. And they even have a like certificate like this. And some yeah, so the link is down below, you guys. If you're interested, go check their website. Now moving on, let us okay, wait, one more look. I'm so excited wearing this. Yeah, for everyday ring or for travel rings. You don't want to bring your expensive jewelries, diamonds. Yeah. The answer is Read Your Heart jewelries. So now moving on, guys. Let us move on to, oh wait. Let me unbox first this Tiffany. Okay, next is the Tiffany. Let us unbox together, you guys. There you go, guys. This is what I've got. Sorry, guys. I am not in a very good shape right now. Pimples everywhere because I haven't been sleeping well. Because I'm having a tough time of my life, which I will explain it later on a life update video. So stay tuned if you're interested to know what's happening with me. Here is the Tiffany I've got. Yeah, it's the pearl necklace. So here's the necklace. Ang galing naman ng ng Tiffany, ng packaging niya. The best. So here is the lock. Here is the necklace. I already have this necklace, pearl necklace, but it is in a bigger size. So I wanted to have the smaller pearls to wear casually. Kasi yung bigger pearls, I think it is too formal. Like wedding or funeral. This one I can wear, this size, I can wear it every day. Like casual. Diba? Casual pearl necklace. So cute. Love it. Ang ganda ng kanilang pagka-package. Very social. And Read Your Heart is hindi pa kakabog. Very social din ang packaging ng Read Your Heart. Also, very, very elegant. Read Your Heart packaging. Oopsie. Now, moving on, guys. Let us try unboxing the last piece I've got from Van Cleef. So, we have, of course, yung mga certificate. I purchased this, by the way, Van Cleef official store and Tiffany official store. I don't buy in reseller or somewhere. I prefer buying official store when it comes to luxury brand. I feel safe. This is how they present the... Wait, I have to take a photo. Okay, let us unbox this, you guys. Yeah. I've got a necklace. I've been wanting to have this necklace, guys. Finally. There. How cute. So yeah, this is the necklace, guys. So cute. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to visit Read Your Heart. The link is down below on the description box. They have lots of beautiful, beautiful rings, guys. So stunning rings. So excellent design. So yeah, if you're interested, just click the link down below. And yeah, stay tuned for my life update. When I am ready to talk about it, I will do a video.